Your intestines clean themselves every single night while you sleep. At least, they're supposed to. But for most people over 60, this cleaning system has been shut off for years, and nobody told you. We call this the migrating motor complex. And here's what most people don't realize. Your intestines have a built-in cleaning crew that only works while you sleep. But for most people over 60, it's been turned off for years. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple bedtime drinks that flip this switch back on, so you can wake up lighter, flatter, and fully emptied. But here's the thing. Most seniors make one critical mistake at 9 p.m. that stops this cleaning process instantly. I'll tell you exactly what that mistake is in just a few minutes, so stay with me. Let me ask you something. Do you wake up feeling like you didn't sleep at all? Maybe your stomach feels heavy, bloated. You head to the bathroom hoping for relief, but nothing happens. Or it's incomplete, uncomfortable. And by the afternoon, you're exhausted. After dinner, the discomfort starts all over again. Sound familiar? If you felt this way, you're not imagining it. And you're definitely not alone. Now, before we go any further, I want to be clear. This is educational information to help you understand how your body works. If you're on medications or have specific health conditions, always talk to your doctor before making any changes to your routine. We good? Okay, let's continue. So what is this night shift janitor I mentioned? Let me explain. Your intestines have a self-cleaning mechanism called the Migrating Motor Complex, the MMC. Think of it like a wave that sweeps through your digestive tract, pushing out leftover food particles, bacteria, and debris. But here's the critical part. This only happens when you're not digesting food. It works during sleep, during fasting, when your stomach is empty. And this is where it gets interesting. After age 60, this cleaning system slows down naturally. Muscle contractions weaken. Digestive motility decreases. That means waste that should have been cleared out days ago is still sitting there. But the good news? This can absolutely be turned around. Your body is remarkably good at healing when you give it what it needs. The problem is, nobody talks about this. Your doctor doesn't have time to explain it in a 7-minute appointment, and the information online is confusing and contradictory. Let me ask you something, and I want you to be honest with me. Do you usually have a snack while watching TV before bed? Maybe some crackers, a little dessert, something light? Type guilty or not me in the comments right now. No judgment. I just need to know, because this matters for what I'm about to show you. Here's what you need to understand. If we can activate your MMC while you sleep, your body will do most of the heavy lifting for you. You just need to give it the right fuel at the right time. So I'm going to show you 3 different drinks. Each one works differently depending on what your specific challenge is. Stay with me here, because this is important. Number 1. This is what I call the gentle mover. This is for maintenance, for people who have mild sluggishness, but nothing severe. Here's what you need. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, juice from half a lemon, 8 ounces of warm water. You mix the chia seeds with the warm water, let it sit for 5 minutes until it forms a gel, then add the lemon juice. Drink this 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Now here's why this works. Chia seeds are pure soluble fiber. When they absorb water, they create a gel that moves through your intestines like a gentle broom. The lemon juice stimulates bile production from your liver, which helps break down any fats still sitting in your system. Together, they create the perfect conditions for your MMC to do its job. Research from the Journal of Food Science shows that chia seeds can increase stool frequency and hydration naturally. This is plumbing, not magic. We're just giving your body what it needs to clear the pipes while you dream. Now, that first drink is gentle. It's great for maintenance. But what if your problem isn't just sluggishness? What if you're dealing with painful gas, cramping, that tight, uncomfortable feeling in your abdomen? That's a different problem, and it needs a different solution. For those of you whose digestive discomfort comes with bloating and gas that won't move, this next one is for you. Now, everything I just explained, there's one factor that changes all of it. And honestly, this is the part that surprises most people. You can drink all the chia seeds and lemon water in the world, but if you're making the mistake I mentioned earlier, the one that happens around 9 p.m., none of this will work. I'm going to tell you exactly what that mistake is in just a moment. But first, let me show you the second drink, because depending on your symptoms, this might be the one your body is begging for right now. Number 2. The Bloat Banisher. This is specifically for gas, cramping, and that tight, uncomfortable feeling. Here's what you need. 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger sliced thin, 8 ounces of hot water. You steep the fennel and ginger in hot water for 10 minutes, strain it, let it cool to warm, not hot, and drink it about an hour before bed. Now, this works differently than the chia drink. Fennel and ginger are what we call carminatives. That's a fancy word meaning they relax the smooth muscles in your intestines. When those muscles relax, trapped gas can finally escape, cramping stops, and that tight feeling releases. What the science tells us is that fennel contains compounds called anethol and phenchone. These actually prevent gas formation in the first place. Ginger speeds up something called gastric emptying, which means food doesn't sit in your stomach fermenting. Remember when I mentioned that sweeping wave, the MMC? This tea makes room for it to work by clearing out the gas and bloating that's blocking its path. We want to lubricate, not irritate. This tea does exactly that. Now, those first two drinks are excellent for mild to moderate issues. But let me be straight with you. If you haven't had a complete bowel movement in 2, 3, even 4 days, you need something stronger. And this next one? This is the heavy lifter. Number 3. The heavy lifter. This is for stubborn, painful constipation. When nothing else has worked. Here's what you need. 4 ounces of prune juice, 100% juice with no added sugar, 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, 4 ounces of warm water. Mix the prune juice with the water to dilute it. Add the apple cider vinegar, stir, and drink 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Now pay attention to this next part, because this is where the science gets interesting. Prunes contain a natural sugar alcohol called sorbitol. Sorbitol draws water into your intestines through a process called osmosis. That means it softens the stool naturally and adds bulk, which triggers your intestines to contract and move things along. The apple cider vinegar stimulates digestive enzymes and helps balance the pH in your gut, which supports beneficial bacteria. Studies from the Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics Journal show that prunes are actually more effective than many over-the-counter fiber supplements for chronic constipation. Now, be prepared. This one works. You will likely feel a strong, natural urge to eliminate in the morning. That's exactly what we want. So let me ask you, which of these 3 does your body need tonight? Is it level 1, the gentle mover? Level 2, the bloat banisher? Or level 3, the heavy lifter? Comment below and let me know. I read every single comment, and I'm genuinely curious which one resonates with you. Alright, now I need to tell you about that critical mistake I mentioned at the beginning. This is probably the most important part of this entire video. Here it is. If you drink any of these remedies and then eat a snack, even something small like crackers, fruit, a cookie, you've just shut down your MMC completely. Here's why. When you eat, your body releases insulin. Insulin is a storage hormone. It puts your digestive system into fed mode, which means the cleaning cycle, the MMC, stops immediately. Without that cleaning cycle running all night, the drink you just made is only half as effective, maybe less. This is the mistake I see constantly. People drink their remedy, feel good about it, then sit down with a handful of almonds or a piece of toast while watching TV, and they wonder why nothing changed by morning. So here's the rule. Drink your remedy 60 to 90 minutes before bed, and after that, nothing but water. Let your body do its job. Think of it this way. You wouldn't call the cleaning crew to your house and then stand in their way, right? Same principle. Now, there's one more thing that can make a significant difference. And it's so simple, most people overlook it completely. When you lie down to sleep, try lying on your left side for the first 20 to 30 minutes. Here's why this works. Your stomach and the way your intestines are positioned. When you lie on your left side, gravity actually helps move waste through your colon more efficiently. Gastroenterologists now recommend this for better gastric emptying. It's a small adjustment that makes a bigger difference than you'd think. So there you have it. 3 different drinks for 3 different needs, the timing that makes them work, and the sleeping position that optimizes everything. Now, before I let you go, there's one more thing I need to tell you, and honestly, this might be the most important part. If you've been struggling with constipation, bloating, or irregular bowel movements for months or years, it's not a character flaw. It's not weakness. And it's not something you just have to live with. 6 months from now, you could still be waking up uncomfortable, still struggling through your mornings, still feeling that heavy, sluggish feeling all day. Or you could be waking up feeling lighter than you have in years. Clear-headed, comfortable, with energy to do the things you actually want to do with your day. The difference is what you do tonight, not next week. Tonight, you have more control over this than you might think. Small changes can make a significant difference. So let me summarize the key points. Number 1. Your body has a built-in cleaning system called the MMC. It only works when you're not digesting food. Number 2. Choose the drink that matches your symptoms. Gentle mover for maintenance, bloat banisher for gas, heavy lifter for stubborn constipation. Number 3. Drink it 60 to 90 minutes before bed, then nothing but water after that. And number 4. Sleep on your left side for the first 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. Simple, but powerful. If you want to improve your digestion, sleep is your biggest opportunity. Your body knows how to heal itself. We're just giving it the right conditions. Try one of these tonight, and let me know how you feel tomorrow morning. I genuinely want to hear your results. And if you found this information helpful and want to see more videos like this, just click the subscribe button below. It's completely free, and you'll get notified when I post new information about gut health, digestion, and staying healthy as we age. A thumbs up also helps other people find this video, so if this was useful to you, I'd really appreciate that. Now, if you want to learn more about what foods are secretly causing inflammation in your gut after 60, I made this video that explains it in detail. Just click right here to watch it next. I think you'll find it really helpful. I'm Dr. David Collins, and I'll see you in the next video.